Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to invite friends in Free Fire. To invite friends in Free Fire, launch open the Free Fire game on your Android or iOS device and make sure you are logged into your game account. On the main lobby screen, which looks like this, go ahead and look for the two human icon at the top right, which is the friends icon. From the friends tab that appears on the screen, you will be able to see the invite friends option at the bottom right corner. You can invite friends into the game via different ways. You can go ahead and copy the invitation link by tapping the link option and then share it with your friend via any platform. Similarly, you can also invite friends via Line, WhatsApp, Instagram, and other social messaging application that you have on your device. You can also invite the friends via email. Simply copy the link and go open up your email service provider's inbox and then go ahead and type in an email address you want to invite, paste in the link that you copied, and you can send in the invitation via email as well. Just select any one medium that you'd like to invite friends with and just type in their address or select their contact via any platform and then send in the message to invite the person. Now once sending the invite, your friend needs to accept the request. Once accepted, they'll appear in your friend list. Free Fire also allows you to invite friends through linked platform like Facebook. So if your account is connected to Facebook, you'll see friends who already play Free Fire and can invite them directly. Inviting friends on Free Fire is a great way to enjoy team gameplay and improve coordination. By using the friends and invite option, you can easily connect and start playing together in just a few steps. Now that's how you know how you can invite friends in Free Fire. You can now jump into the game and enjoy the squad matches with your friends quickly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.